Guys, I am still in Singapore at the moment. I leave tonight for my side trip. I'm super excited, but right now it's the 4th of July in the US and it's nighttime. I've never been to the US on the 4th of July. I know, I live there, but let's see how they're doing there.
Got you guys. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your favorite cameraman, Jackie P. For the hype Asian. I know, I'm lucky. For all the Asians out there. So, you know, it's 10 days later. It's the 14th of July. That throw that Colin just threw me, the phone took a while, so, yeah. He doesn't have a good arm, it's okay. Colorado's doing okay. 14 fires. Light. 14 fires, it's okay. I mean, sorry I didn't get to you guys on the 4th of July. I had to hang out with my birth grandparents, so I wanted to chill with them. And there were no fireworks anyway, so yeah. Alright, guys, I'll see you later.
Thank you, Jackson. And now, back to the regularly scheduled vlog. What is up, guys? Welcome to Australia. We've been here for a few hours. We had to get some medical stuff done, and we had to get some other stuff done for scuba diving.
I think you need to start that over.
Why?
Because it's boring.
Wow, okay. G'day, mates. It's Hype Asian from Australia. We've been here for a few hours now, and we had to get some stuff done for some scuba diving that we're gonna be doing in a few days. So I'll update you guys when we have something fun planned next. Okay, so we just got back from dinner. We did a little class today. Not really a class, it was like this thing where you learn about Great Barrier Reef, fish, coral.
Hello.
Okay, so yeah, that's what we did today. And and tomorrow we are going to go to the rainforest, do some ziplining and some other stuff. I'm not really sure exactly what it is, but have to wake up at 7 a.m. for that, which is like 5 a.m. in Singapore, so there's a little bit of a time change. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. So it's currently 6:55 and
AM.
AM. We're getting picked up at 7, and then we get our day started. Yay! Okay, guys, so we just got done with our day. It was a great day. So we started off and we got on our bus at around 7 a.m. pretty early. I was super tired. But from there we picked up some other passengers and went to a wildlife habitat. So we are now at a wildlife habitat, which is kind of like a zoo, except it's more open. So there's koalas, birds, wallabies, stuff like that. And it's just kind of an open area. So like that kind of stuff. There's a giant bird. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. What can you see in this picture? I see something. Oh, hell no. What's up, little guy?
You see the male too?
There's another one. I ain't feeding that thing.
Why not?
Thing's big.
Colin. Hey, baby.
Baby.
It's like feeding Cooper.
It's not like feeding people, actually. Then we had some tea there, or coffee, or whatever. From there, we then went to... Where do we go next? Oh, well, we crossed a river. I was sleeping, but we crossed a river in the bus. So there's this cool thing where like you just drive onto like this little boat and then it takes you across. So I was sleeping, but that happened. So then we went jungle surfing, which is just ziplining except in the rainforest. So yes, we went into the rainforest, did some ziplining in there. That was a lot of fun. Sure. Oh God.
Hold on to it. Hello. Hi.
Would you like to talk to the vlog?
I would. We are ziplining in the rainforest in Australia. Pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
Just down there.
That is cool. That's very cool.
These ferns have been here for millions of years. I would just like to point out.
Thank you. My phone was in a bag, like in this little pouch, hanging off my harness, and it was clipped on, and I went upside down because the tour guide wanted us all to go upside down, and she's like, grab your phone bag, while I was upside down, and right when I went to grab it, it fell. But I grabbed it in time while I was in midair because I got those quick hands.
Put that phone over your shoulder too, maybe. Alright, now you got it under your arm, it's okay. Yeah, sweet. Can you grab your phone bag?
Yep.
Just hold on to it. Oh, mate, that's so. I seen it coming off. I was like, just grab it. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Arms out.
I seen it.
So lucky.
Oh, mate.
Anyway, so then, after that we went on a wildlife cruise down a river, where we saw some crocodiles and stuff like that, birds. So yeah, it was a pretty full day. We got back at around 7 p.m. So 12 hours of just on the tour. Then we went out to dinner, had a really good seafood dinner. Okay, so we're at dinner and our stuff just came. This is my dad's. Looks very good. And then this is mine. Don't know what to say. Tomorrow, we have to wake up at 6 a.m. Get on a boat. Gonna be on the boat for 3 days. So today, tomorrow, the next day we get back in the evening. So we're on that boat for 3 days and we're doing 9 dives. So we're going to go scuba diving at the Great Barrier Reef. So that should be a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys then. So I ended the next vlog that you guys are going to see, but I have not ended this one yet, just because I decided to split it into 2 parts because it was getting long.
Good decision.
Yeah, good decision. Partly because my dad said to make it more bite size, so I'm making it more bite size. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and be sure to stay tuned for the next one. We're going to have a lot of scuba diving action in it, and it should be pretty good.
Sounds awesome.
It does. Isn't it pretty awesome? You just saw it.
It actually is pretty awesome.
It is pretty awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope that you guys come back for the next one. And the sauce is never too much. See ya.